ito po ang aking bees.
Wow, look
So, mas
closer.
marami po dito sa kabila. You see the bees? This one? That's the final. You will see the queen bee later, okay? This. And the smoke will come out.
Yeah. Pump to the bee.
No, why would you do that?
We're using this to protect you from the bees when they sting you. Just in case that they sting you, okay? So you want to try?
Pump it.
Pump. Just don't let the body of the finger.
Hot yan eh.
Sad.
The other bee is dead.
The other bee? Oh, it's the white dots. You see the white dots? That's the eggs. Now when feeding, just scoop inside the honey hive so they will have it. Nana.
Watch your step, ha?
These are the bees I found, Daddy.
The farmers put it there.
What's that light one?
Hmm?
Is that a light?
That's a sticker. They put it to palatandaan.
A marker.
That mark the queen. So the color of the sticker is pink. No. Wag yan.
Yung may honey, girl, or yung may laman.
Sulitin nyo. Yung honeycomb po, nasa face nyo po kung lunukin nyo po or
Chuchu lang.
ituturan